Welcome, here I've got Umidigi X and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. And here we have picture size options, so let's tap on it. Now we can manage the quality of the picture in megapixels connected with aspect ratio and the size. So we have 48 megapixels quality, the best possible of this camera. And we can also pick the lower one. And we have three aspect ratios, 4:3, 19:9 and 16:9. This is connected with different quality. So let me focus now on aspect ratio because this is the difference we can see by our eyes. Let's stay on 4:3. In the camera preview we can see that this is how it looks like in the background. Another tap to the right corner to the picture size, and let's pick 19:9 aspect ratio with 10 megapixels now. And as you can see, this is the full aspect ratio. When we tap here in the right corner once again and go to the picture size, we can change it also to 16:9, for example with 9 megapixels now. And in the camera preview we can see that this is how it looks like. Of course, when we tap here once again, we can pick again 4:3, the original one. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.